Hello everyone, myself Diksha from class 10th Urban Institutes, and today I am here to discuss about the chemistry topic types of chemical reactions. There are 5 types of chemical reaction. First is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, third is displacement reaction, fourth is double displacement reaction, and the fifth is oxidation and reduction reactions. Combination reactions. Those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance are called combination reactions. For example, magnesium and oxygen combine to form magnesium oxide, and in this reaction, two elements, magnesium and oxygen, are combining to form a single compound, magnesium oxide. In the second example, hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water. In this reaction, two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, are combining to form a single compound, that is water. Decomposition reactions. Those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reactions. For example, when calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Here calcium carbonate is limestone and calcium oxide is lime. In the second example, silver chloride, when it is exposed to light, it decomposes to form silver metal and chlorine. Here silver chloride is white in color and it changes into silver, grayish white, and chlorine, that is yellowish green in color. Displacement reaction. Those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reactions. In the first example, when a piece of iron metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, then iron sulfate solution and copper metal are formed. In this reaction, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. This is because iron is more reactive than copper. And in the second example, when a strip of zinc metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, then zinc sulfate solution and copper are obtained. In this reaction, zinc displaces copper from the copper sulfate compound, and this is because zinc is more reactive than copper. Double displacement reactions. Those reactions in which two compounds react by exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. In the first example, when barium chloride solution is added to sodium sulfate solution, then a white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed along with the sodium chloride solution. In this displacement reaction, two compounds that are barium chloride and sodium sulfate react to form two new compounds that are barium sulfate and sodium chloride. An exchange of ions takes place in these reactions. In the second example, when barium chloride solution is added to the copper sulfate solution, then a white precipitate of barium sulfate is produced along with the copper chloride solution. In this double displacement reaction, two compounds, barium chloride and copper sulfate, react by the exchange of their ions to form two new compounds that are barium sulfate and copper chloride. Oxidation reactions. The addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. The removal of hydrogen from a substance is also called oxidation. And reduction reactions, the addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. The removal of oxygen from a substance is also called reduction. For example, when copper oxide is heated with hydrogen, then copper metal and water are formed. In this reaction, copper oxide is changing into copper. That is, oxygen is being removed from copper oxide. Now, by definition, removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction. So we can say that copper oxide is being reduced to copper. And in this reaction, hydrogen is changing into water. This is oxygen that is oxygen, is being added to hydrogen. Now by definition, addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. So we can say that hydrogen is being oxidized to water. In the above reaction, copper oxide is giving the oxygen required for the oxidation of hydrogen. Therefore, copper oxide is the oxidizing agent. Hydrogen is responsible for removing oxygen from copper oxide. Therefore, hydrogen is the reducing agent here.